Sure, Sir Isaac Newton unraveled the mysteries of gravity. But could he have unraveled the mysteries of Rubik's Cube? 3 weeks ago, Judge Smith retired to her chambers with
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. A severe temperature drop is currently happening on all of the states, dropping from 15 to -15 degrees Celsius. This is a serious temperature drop and everybody is advised to stay home and have a lot of heat source with you. Save up your food in case of another temperature drop. We will provide you with another broadcast regarding the situation very soon. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. Another severe temperature drop is currently happening in the United States. The temperature drops again to -40 degrees Celsius. The temperature have been dropping day by day and it is starting to become dangerous for everybody. The United States government have ordered you to immediately evacuate from the United States to avoid potential death due to severely low temperatures. Do not risk staying in the United States. The temperature will drop lower and lower each day and it will soon be unsurvivable. I repeat, everybody in the United States should evacuate immediately. This is an order. This is an order. The following message is sent to everybody worldwide. The United States have fallen due to its unsurvivable temperature. The temperature in the United States have reached -275 degrees Celsius, indicating an absolute zero. The United States have frozen into a white wasteland where not a single living thing can survive. All aircrafts passing the United States have been rerouted to avoid accidents. The United States will be uninhabited for a long period of time, or forever. We don't know. We are sorry for the United States citizens who lost their homes, the unlucky ones who failed to evacuate on time, and for our failure to stop this situation from happening. May the same thing will never happen to anywhere in the world.